Hello everyone, welcome back to a brand new video. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about probably the most versatile smartphone case company that I have ever come across and all of their accessories that I use to make my smartphone experience to the next level. If this video sounds interesting to you, be sure to drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and let's get started. Alright, so you guys have already read the title, you know what I'm talking about. This is none other than Quadlockcase. This is a case that I've been using on my S21 Ultra for a little over a year now, and I have to say, I am absolutely in love with it. First things first, let me take off the case and show you guys so that you guys can understand that not only do you get a lot of protection from this case, you also get good design as well. So of course, the inside is lined with this soft material that protects the back of your device from scratches. You've got the Quadlock branding at the bottom, and I really like the way that looks. Of course, on the sides you've got thick bumpers, so this will protect your phone from falling down if it ever falls down, that is. Trust me, the amount of times that I have dropped this phone accidentally, you can see a few scuff marks, but because of the fact that I always have this case on, it protects my phone most of the time. So that is definitely a big plus, especially if you are buying expensive phones and using expensive phones daily. Of course, on the back, you've got this, matte black sort of a finish. I really like it. All the buttons are super useful and tactile. You've got the proper cutouts for your devices. And the main part of why you should go for a Quadlock case is, of course, their legendary mounting system, which is at the back over here. So basically, Quadlock designs these cases as well as accessories that I use that are seen here, like this one, and this one. So you can basically use the accessories along with the case and, just simplify your smartphone experience and overall take it to the next level. Alright, so the first thing that I want to talk about that I use on the daily is this little guy right here. This is the quad ring that Quadlock makes, and on first appearance doesn't look like it does something special, right? At the most, it looks like a pop-up socket. But trust me, the way this works is really revolutionary. First off, when it comes to build quality, this is completely made out of aluminum, which means that this is going to last a long time. It's lasted me more than 6 months, and it still works the way it did the first day. So how this works is basically you'll have these clamps. You can put them onto your case and tighten it once, and you'll hear a click sound, and that's how you know that the product is, applied to your thing. Then you take your smartphone, pop it inside the case, and voila, you have a beautiful ring here that you can use for a wide array of different things. So the main reason why I use it is, of course, to have a better grip on my device in case you have a big phone like I do. Another thing that you can use this for is use it as a stand, so you can prop up your phone anywhere and use it that way as a makeshift stand on any flat surface, so you can watch videos. Also have a good way to grip your phone in case it's a very large device like the one that I have here. So this is definitely one of my favorite items to use when it comes to the Quadlock case, and one of my favorite accessories ever. The next thing that I want to talk about is the desk mount right here. And I've been on the lookout or the search for a good desk mount for my phone or a dock for my phone since forever, and the fact that this is also available from the guys over at Quadlock was just a blessing in disguise. So of course, on first design, let's take a look at the mount itself. This is the desk mount. Over here you can see that you've got the mounting thing, so this is where you mount your phone. At the bottom, you've got this peelable sort of peelable layer where you can, after you peel it off, you can stick it. So if you have a permanent destination for this, which I don't, that is why I haven't taken it off. If you have a permanent destination, you can use this, stick it in one place, and it won't move from there. Another really cool thing is that this is not just a stand. So you've got the cutout here, which is a pass-through for a wire, and you've got a Type-C connector here. So you can either connect this to a power adapter or to a computer, and if you use the case along with this stand, your phone gets charged automatically all the time as long as your phone is, plugged in. And you don't need any wires on your phone. The only wire that needs to be connected is to the stand right here. So that is really, really cool. Once again, this also acts as a stand, and the best part is, since there are different locking mechanisms, you can put your phone in landscape, you can put it in portrait, browse it easily, watch whatever you want, do whatever you want. It is just so much fun to have a product that lets you do all of this. And whenever you have to leave from your desk, all you do is twist and you can take off your phone and be on your way. That's how seamless it is. That's how easy Quadlock makes things. So for now, we have covered two of my absolute favorite mounts, that is the quad ring, which lets you grip your phone, and the Quadlock desk mount. Let's put these to the the side, and let's talk about probably my third and most used quad lock mount right here, which is, as you guys can see, a tripod adapter. Now, of course, there are tripod adapters for smartphones that, you know, clamp your phone like this, then you can hook that up to a tripod. But there are two major problems when it comes to using mounts like those. Number one, usually they are not very high quality. They are all cheaply mass produced. So if you've got an expensive phone or a heavy phone, you know, I wouldn't really trust that product to hold the weight of my phone. Secondly, that gives you a fixed landscape orientation. Yes, you can use your phone on portrait, but you know, that will take a lot of other nitpicking and a lot of other things to do. This right here changes the game altogether. So the first thing you obviously do is you have your tripod mount here. So you take any small tripod. This is one from a gimbal from Moza. So all I'm going to do is tighten this up. And boom, this is not going anywhere, right? It's ready. Let's open this up. Let's make this stand over here like so. Of course, you've got the same mount here. All we do is match up the hinges over here and match up the hinges over here, and boom, you've got a smartphone mount on a tripod. And this is really cool because, as I said, like all their products, you can use this either on landscape or you can use it on portrait. All you have to do is change the orientation depending on how you want to use it. And that's how easy and simple it is to get high quality video from your smartphone, or you know, have a stable tripod on your phone using the quad lock mount or the quad lock tripod mount. This is also super sturdy. It's not going anywhere. It's not going to fall down. I am really impressed with their engineering, and I have to say, if you comment below, this is the coolest thing that exists for smartphone tripods as far as I am concerned. And yeah, these are my favorite quad lock mounts. I thought I'd let you guys know. And of course, you can buy their cases. I'll be leaving links in the description below. I've been using quad lock for a long time now. If you follow me on Instagram, you know, because I keep posting pictures and videos about my experiences with different tech products that I use. But all in all, I feel like these are a couple of products that everyone should use if quad lock makes a case for your phone well enough. Even if they don't, they have a universal mount that can adapt on the back of any phone. So be sure to check it out. Whether you have an iOS or an Android, chances are quad lock has a case for you, along with these nifty gadgets and accessories that you can hook up to your phone. With that said, guys, if you guys like this video, be sure to drop a like, subscribe to the channel.